Right, next up we've got 2017 Kawasaki ZX6R in black. We're going to grab the camera and we're going to have a good look around the bike for you. Right, let's go and take a close look at this Ninja. It is only one owner from new. It's had a full HPI check and a full government mileage check. It says low miles. We'll have a look over at the front end first. As you can see, tyres are good on it. It has got the headlight covers on as well on the front, as you can see there, to protect the lights. Have a look over at the front, over on the left hand side first. As you can see, it's got the Showa forks on the front. Take a look at this fairing. It is a really shiny black mirror-like finish on it. A lot low down at the fairing. Let's get a good look. See if we can try and look in at the engine there on the left-hand side. And then up at the tank. Seat there, solo at the back. Get a look in at the rear shock. As you can see, the adjuster on there. Have a good look at the chain and sprocket. And the lower mud guard there, again with a mirror-like finish on it. So let's go and have a look round the back. As you can see, it's got the tail tidy on. It's also got the Two Brothers Racing exhaust can on the back there in carbon fibre. Back tyre there with plenty of tread on as well. Let's have a look at the back wheel. And this also has the R&G paddock stand pegs on the back. Let's have a look over on the right hand side. A good look at the fairing, low down, and the exhaust. Frame and the tank on the right hand side. Look through at the radiator there. So what we'll do now is go up and take a look up at the controls and get the miles off it. Right, let's go and have a look at the controls. As you can see, standard, it's got the kill switch on this side, start button on it. It's got fully adjustable reach lever on there. Over the other side you've got your lights, your indicators, your horn. And if we turn the ignition on, let's have a look, get the exact miles. So it's only done 9,648 miles, so it is very low mileage for the year. Right, let's start this up and have a listen to the Two Brothers exhaust. And there you go. If you want any more close-up pictures or videos of this, we can do that for you and send it to you over on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dave or Dawn a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.